Top 5 unique business ideas to start in Libya in 2021 and make a lot of money. Libya, officially the state of Libya, is a country in the Maghreb region in North Africa, bordered by the Mediterranean Sea to the north, Egypt to the east, Sudan to the southeast, Chad to the south, Niger to the southwest, Algeria to the west, and Tunisia to the northwest. The capital of Libya is Tripoli. The currency of Libya is the Libyan dinar. Its population stands at 6.6 million people, according to the World Bank report. The official language of Libya is Arabic. Having heard that about Libya, let's look at the top 5 unique business ideas to start in Libya in 2021. Number 1, start an oil and gas servicing company. If you are looking towards starting a business in the oil and gas industry in Libya, a business that is profitable and thriving and one that requires engineering skills, then one of your options is to start an oil and gas servicing company. Major oil companies around the globe like Mobil, Shell, Agip, Chevron and Texaco, amongst others, rely on oil servicing companies such as Halliburton, Schlumberger and Transocean and all for maintenance and servicing jobs. Number 2, offer legal services to the oil and gas industry. There are lawyers who are specialized in the oil and gas sector. They are referred to as oil and gas lawyers. So as a lawyer, if you are looking towards earning money from the business value chain of the oil and gas industry, then one of your best options is to specialize in oil and gas law so as to offer legal services in the oil and gas industry. Number 3, start an oil spillage cleaning company. In Libya, where oil is drilled in the deep sea, there is the likelihood of oil spillage, hence the need for professional oil spillage cleaning services. So if you are looking for a business to start in the value chain of the oil and gas industry, then one of your options is to start an oil spillage cleaning company. Number 4, fruits plantation. There are several types of fruits that exist. They are such as mangoes, cashews, guavas, oranges, apples, pawpaw, cherry, and the list goes on. No doubt there is a large market for fruits, and the fact that fruits can be processed into drinks and juice makes it highly sellable. Number 5, open a maternity center. In rural communities, most especially, there are loads of pregnant women who cannot afford standard hospitals for the delivery of their children in Libya, which is why they opt for maternity centers or enroll under a midwife or a douala. So, if you are a midwife and you are interested in starting a business in the healthcare industry, then one of your options is to open a maternity center in Libya. A rural area might be the most thriving location for this type of business. There you have it, viewers. Those were the top 5 unique business ideas you can start in Libya in 2021 and make a lot of money. Hope this video was resourceful, and if it was, make sure you give us a thumbs up and don't forget to share. Don't go away without clicking on the red subscribe button to join the Business in Africa community. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.
Hello guys, hello my Business in Africa YouTube family. I hope you all are doing great. I'm here today to bring you the good news, right? I just released 2 ebooks. I don't want to call them books. I prefer calling them tools, because these are investment tools that if you want to invest in Africa, then it's a must-have. Here is the first one. Unique business ideas for every African country. Yes, you heard it right. I went to every African country and brought to you the unique business ideas that are the best profitable business ideas in this country. I took into consideration their geographic location, political stability, their economy, culture, and every other thing was taken into consideration to choose these businesses that are most profitable in each African country. Yes, you don't have to go anywhere to look for business ideas anymore. And of course, the best countries that you can invest in is also answered in this book. So get this book, it's on Amazon Kindle. The second book is this one, The African Business Startup BRAINBOX. Yes, it's the BRAINBOX because it tells you everything you need to know about registering and setting up a company in every African country. Yes, in all the 54 African countries. So you've got the procedures that you need, you've got the estimated cost, and how much time you need to register your company in every African country. So you don't need to search anywhere online, just grab these tools. There are 2 of them, and all of them are on Amazon Kindle. So you can either get it as an ebook or a paperback. That's your choice. And let me tell you something. There is something I'm offering. If you buy these books, I'm going to offer you a free consultation session. Anytime you want, right? My numbers are on the screen. You can just contact me, but make sure you click and purchase my books, okay? I don't want to call them books, I call them tools. Just click right now and add them to your purchase list. Thank you so much for ordering my books, and I'm sure we're going to do business in Africa together. Let's get ready for 2021. See you around.